First thing I want you to know with this welder, one of our model welders called the 43HS, which stands for high speed. You can get 3 different wattages of elements, a 600, a 750, or a 900 watt element, and that would be used depending upon what type of temperature you need to do your welding at. Some people would use a 600 watt element for polypropylene, for example. Some would use a 900 watt element for materials like PFA, which is a nylon-based thermoplastic, as I'm sure you all know. And if you don't, you know now. Now, the way this basically works, you would plug a hose in your shop, because this is a shop air model, plug a hose into the wall, into your compressor, the other end goes into the regulator, and now the air will flow all the way through the hose and through the gun and out the outer barrel. Once the air is flowing through, what you would do is plug the welder into an outlet. Immediately the heating element inside will start getting warm, and after roughly, I'd say 3 to 4 minutes, you would be up to your welding temperature for the material of use. What you do then basically is take one of our tips. We make 26 different tips for all types of welding rod, materials, etc. Screw it onto the end of the barrel and do your actual welding. Now, we're not going to talk about the welding process today. I just wanted to explain a little bit more about the welder. What happens is, in order to adjust the airflow, since the whole theory is air velocity and temperature, you've got the temperature with the element, and with the airflow, you're hooked in with your shop air, you pull this up slightly, which is the regulator, and as you turn it, you'll get a higher value of PSI, or air pressure, on the gauge. Most people will weld between 3 and 5 PSI for their style of welding. You just have to experiment around. The other important thing to know, we stock all replacement parts for this welder, be it the handle, be it the outer barrel, we call the spanner nut, the element, as you see here, etc. That's basically what I wanted to tell you folks for today. This series will be continued, and I thank you very much.